I don't bring una matter from Don Jazzy. When una dey call her daddy, your daddy don't bring una matter. According to like come outside, they give us a relationship, in your own personal relationship advice. A bit talk how they control women. According to Ram, they ask a question about whether if you love one woman, those kind of talks. Now, so Don Jazzy open mouth to me say a shock. He say he don't know how to love one person. He say that thing where they do men, where if man don't love one woman, the feeling for every other woman go die. He say sabi do that, saying believe saying they strong enough to carry more than one. I beg, may not be saying that me bring on English, you understand? So join me, make we listen to Don Jazzy.
I don't believe I'm strong enough to be with one person. So I think people will run away from me being truthful. I don't know, I will not be dating you and tell you that you're the only person. Some people have the strength to, once they're attracted to somebody, the thing that used to make you get attracted to other people will turn off. I hail you people, but me, you're a beautiful lady. Doesn't stop me from admiring Madame that's over there. She's still beautiful too.
Hey, my brother, just tell us that you're a womanizer. As simple as that. Which one be the plenty grammar? See, people sabi give things name. Simple sentence, I'm a womanizer. Hey, Don Jazzy don't discover Mungo Park. Hey. No wonder. I don't dey ask myself since. See, it get people when e reach their matter, say you must open that drawer. Don Jazzy na one. How come this man never married since? They hide, waiting. Go bring woman outside, may we say, okay, this one don't finally settle down. With the way this man just talk now, I don't even need to tell una say, even the implants. The implants, you understand? So, now why I bring this matter here? In case say, you dey meet this man secretly, privately, and he don't promise you marriage. Because no be him promise you that marriage. Now the Gundus activation. Now he make can tell you because in his right senses, no, he know high. Una hear na. He know high, he know smoke, he know nothing. He dey okay. As they talk and hot thing, I'm not in mouth. So if you say they don't promise you want to, I beg, or you'll be your case because this man is not ready to go anywhere. My brother, I hope say as you they give us your own this thing, make you not forget say fine boys day too. So in case you finally they date, you they admire women anyhow. Not forget say men day too. So if your woman start to admire men, I hope say you go so understand. You understand? Because my people, funny enough, men like this, now them, if woman just cheats, they feel die. Funny enough, they act strong, they act like say, no, watch them. Now so they do. Now then you go come find and say, so this one weak, so this one, Don Jazzy. So now this kind behavior, now all these things that you just talk now, so you want win Rihanna heart. Now Rihanna, this one, they crush on Rihanna. If Rihanna just tell her film now, he go just jump. But I not just believe say this thing even come out. Imagine say Rihanna watch this video now. Hey, my brother, you don't put yourself inside hot soup. Chai Chineke. See, he is not ready to settle down. He is not ready. See, any of the way they follow this guy, see, just they follow him based on okay, make we just know it they do. You understand? If not, your heart, you go pieces over pieces. In fact, this thing don't teach me lesson. Money no be everything. Some people figure money, they no get sense. Some get sense, they no get money. So money no be the answer to everything in this life. Don Jazzy, be careful. You understand? Because the way they see you now, you don't they enter some polygamous ways where I know they see the ending. Before you go end up like Ned Woko, you go come get Ned Woko Jr. You understand? Be very careful. If I be you, I go just look for one. You get money, you get cars, house, everything. just look fine woman no go even be this man problem because they go plenty. It's just for him to choose. You understand? See, life is simple and sweet. Now we human beings they make am difficult. See as he talk am now. I know say many of una don hail am, una don clap, una don shout, everything. If na poor person make this statement now, una go bury am alive. Una go finish am with insult. No be una because he get money, na rich person talk am, na your celebrity talk am. So anything wey he talk now, it makes sense. My brother, na be say you no go marry for this life. If you continue with this behavior wey I dey see, me I'm not even dey inside sha, because every day you go dey see fine girls. Na be say every day you go dey admire different omo, I just dey imagine how this career go be. And the people wey even dey pity pass na those ones wey get hope say Don Jazzy go marry or Don Jazzy abeg make una change una mind o. See, una no say me I dey here for una and I dey help una anytime wey I fit help una. You understand? So I don come bring this one now so that una mind go just shift from that side. I no wan make una start dey get heart attack. I always dey tell una ahead of time. Later una go come see say I talk true. My people, abeg, na the matter be this from Don Jazzy. Now I bring am out to una because una need hear am. So anything wey you get against wetin you talk or for wetin you talk, drop am for that comment section and I go reply una one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey we drop. Meanwhile, on to our next story. Davido and im crew don come give us another headache, oh my people. This particular set of people, in fact, if una know how everybody don tire for them, my people, another one don happen. This one, they say they go on lunch, say I don't know, they go get fun, enjoy themselves. I know nobody know where to come bring problem. They start a fight person for that place. So the place where they fight, saloon, they close to that side. You understand? Now so one of the staff for the saloon come outside say, make I even check. You understand? Make it maybe not break any of our property. And to hold and behold, as he go outside, it can't happen say they don't spoil something. Now simple thing, this guy just open mouth talk. He say, see, you people are breaking our property. Only that one. My people, now so they come, in fact, they forget person where they don't they beat before. Come handle this guy. The guy come they bleed. In fact, the matter just it just enter critical gear. Abi for now we don't know what they happen because now too they sleep. I don't bring una correct matter. So join me, make we watch the video.
Men have done to our staff right here. They beat the guy as if the guy is still. The guy didn't do anything. They beat the guy. But we punish all of them. You guys can see. The guy didn't do anything. Look how they beat the guy. See. Look how they beat the guy. As if the guy didn't do anything.
Davido and their men, they came to police lounge to catch fun. So there was beating some guy. We are inside our working place. We are working today. So they were beating some guys. So one of our staff now went outside to check that what was going on. Before the guy went outside, they see that the guy said that they have already spoiled one of our property that they dropped there. The guy was like, you guys have spoiled our property. They didn't even want to hear what the guy was saying. They were just beating up the guy like as if the guy steal something. I was just crying that what was going on? Why are you doing this, Davido's men? And Davido didn't even say anything.
Now go come outside, can they give us many reasons why Davido no dey at fault, why Davido no do this one. See, I always dey talk one thing and that thing I go still talk again. You fit get all the money for this life, but money no fit buy you class. You understand? It no fit buy you class. No, see, I no just don't understand. Davido, wetin be your problem? Whether una go determine now, Davido was not there, Davido this one. No be people. No be the leader. No only Agberos just full these people group. Agberos everywhere. Waiting. We no go drink water drop cup for Nigeria because Davido get crew members. We no go walk out free for road because Davido get crew members. Person no even feel voice out in mind again because Davido get crew members. What happen? Now the reason be this why nobody even like this their Davido group. Now the reason be this: any small thing violence, and matter even reach me say this thing no be the first time wey dey happen o. Apart from the ones wey me myself I don, you understand, I don experience. E don dey happen before. Haba, abeg, una sef make una try get small conscience. Now why I no even dey support this? Una remember that NSAS thing wey dey say Davido go dey lead, Davido go dey part. I no even support am from day one. How you go come dey support NSAS? Me and then your crew dey behave like SARS. Which kind of contradiction be this one? If you dey one side, make we know say you dey, and behave yourself, because this all this Chineke. Now why people no even like this Davido matter? Because when people dey talk say, hey, we don't like Davido, we don't like, I come dey wonder say, but this guy na cool guy, he dey sing well, he dey do. Now I don dey see am, I don dey see everything. You no fit dey do charity works and then you dey condone inhuman behavior. This is inhuman. How you go beat person pikin? In the first place, you be public figure. You be celebrity. People they look up to you. So it gets some things where you not even supposed to do. I don't say once in a while we dey get issues, we dey get things where go warrant fight. But if you must always remember who you be. Remember say people they look up to you. No, they carry this kind of behavior. It no good. What do you call they teach people now? So now tomorrow you go stand for microphone front, they sing about love. You and who they sing love? Show us by action. Show us your action, not be just to sing. Maybe people love your song, they make money. My people, if Davido no change this to his crew, they go bring him down for. They go bring him down for very serious, because now he don't dey go everywhere. People don't already see. Once you mention Davido, people just they think fight. Many people now, una go just the open mouth. Many of una no even know wetin happen. Una no even know, una just because una una favorite artist, una no even want look good side of the matter. He is wrong. He is wrong. And no matter how una go say he was not there, I don't care if he was not there, as long as say na the leader. Una go even dey shocked say na Davido even send them, make they go fight. If it happen, you understand? Because see, we live in a world now where people no want go do dirty work. They prefer to dey get people where they go they send. I not to say he send them, and I not to say he no send them, because now anything they possible. Tomorrow now go hear say he send them. Una go shut up. Una go shut up. Money. Now this guy, he go just go hospital now, go spend small salary. We don't even know how much the guy even they earn. He go spend his small money now, say they treat you. Una no see the back, how they bleed. You know nice, oh. You know nice. I beg all of you now. Where you know say you get fame, you get power, you get money, anywhere where you belong to. As I don't mention, I beg, try to humble yourself. Try to humble yourself. Say your papa get money, no mean say we all go die. We not go die because of you. So please, Davido, I dey beg. If no be you send these people, make we just assume say no be you. Before I go to say I don't talk. You understand? At least talk to them. Make they stop this rascal behavior. If the only thing where your gang they do not to fight, it better make you no come get gang. See Whiskey they there. As I talk am before, no be saying people know they get problem. But Whiskey matter, you know go the hear like that. Una too they behave childish. This is childishness. In fact, I beg, how I thought childlessness. I beg, English not be my language. Anyone we need how we want take her. I dey vex. And now, because all of una we no say know the guy where they involved, where they injure. I beg make una in fact, Davido in people and the police people, I don't they call una out now. Make that guy go receive treatment. And make you no pay one dime. Una go make sure say una take care of every bill where una need take care of. Because no being send una make una they behave like agberos. I know they accept violence, I beg. I know this one, no, out of her. This one don't pass. You don't pass matter. I know that. No be say you be God. Where we go say, okay, oh, God don't come. I beg. Nobody there above the law. You understand? So if this crew member need to be arrested, may they carry them go jail. If the video dey involve making two follow enter jail, nobody dey above the law. No come tell me say your father is this, your grandfather is this. I no care. Make everybody wey dey involved inside this matter, make they arrest them. Very, very important. No come dey tell me matter. Una get money, una go dey misbehave. I no dey inside that nonsense. So, my people, na the matter wey I bring now be this. So, if you know say you dey against wetin I talk, make the battle start for that comment section. Make we start, and I go dey reply una one by one. You understand? And again, if you like the vex for wetin I talk, that subscription you go subscribe am. Na by force. So make sure say you subscribe. I still love una, and una just dey make me dey put serious face. You understand? I beg my people, may we go on to our next story.